Hi, it's me again, Joaquin Feliciano, and I have another flight for next week. This time Air Asia, Manila to Cebu Bohol. This time I'm gonna join with my batchmates at CDS.
Okay, dessert mukbang. Dessert mukbang.
And this is a dessert mukbang before the flight again for next week.
Gongbei. Cheers, Gongbei.
Gongbei.
Gongbei means cheers in Korean.
Okay. So, since I gave to him a cup from Vietnam.
Hindi makita yung mukha mo, Wax.
Yeah. See, sarap.
Shoutout kay Enting Buntingting kahit si Joaquin nag-part ways siya.
265, 260.
Papadala ko picture. Ay, magkano? Magdala kayo.
Let's have a hot fudge sundae, guys.
I hope you smell this from your screen.
Yeah. Here you go.
Google kung malaki siya. Malaki kay Google na eh. Siyempre mag-Google sa akin. Hindi kayo magpapadala na yun. Basta padala kayo ka rin. Basta yan. Kasi ito sumanda 50 to 55. Iba pa kayo na yung makaba.
Shoutout to Enting Buntingting.
Nalaman na importante kasi ba isang lapat kasi iya mo lumumpiyan ang kaya. Pite. Pasukan mo sa internet. Basta sabi na 52.
I remember the last mukbang video. No, kasali ako kay Duday Favorites. Nag burger tayo with fries.
Shoutout kay Kabuntingting, Enting Buntingting.
So Air Asia is my flight for next week. This time I'll be taking Naya Terminal 2 after Naya Terminal 3 from Cebu Pacific, Manila to Vietnam. So this time Naya Terminal 2, Manila to Cebu, and Tagbilaran to Manila.
Wala nang Tagbilaran, that's Bohol Panglao.
Oh yeah, Bohol Panglao. Sorry. And remember, the note says, it's been a tradition when a friend member leaves, we gather for snack or dinner or dessert.
I just turned my hot fudge sundae into chocolate,
like
because of the syrup.
Or dessert here at McDonald's the day before. That's all. That's what I'm gonna say.
Look what I did, Max. In
Wow.
case your sundae melts, just mix it to make it chocolatey
Yes.
with the syrup. It tastes good.
It's been a tradition when a friend member leaves, we gather for snack or dinner or dessert the day before. Smiley face.
Remember the old Tagbilaran Airport only accommodates one aircraft at a time.
Oh yeah. I remember that.
While the new Bohol Panglao accommodates a lot of aircraft.
Sarap. So it's 5:02 on the clock. Sarap. Sarap yung hot fudge.
Really good, right?
Yes. Next time I'll try hot caramel sundae and McFlurry. Especially the golden apple sundae, I believe.
I just finished my hot fudge sundae. It's good.
Me too. That's all, folks.
See you in the next mukbang. Get shoutout kay Enting Butengting.
Don't forget to subscribe, Captain Hog DP Body. If I get the window seat from AirAsia, I promise myself takeoff at Nea and landing at Cebu.
Bactan Cebu.
Yes, and
Take off at Bohol Panglao.
and landing back to Manila.
Okay.
That's all, folks. Bye.
70 po.